This video has been sponsored by Supcase. Go to www.supcase.com and for a limited time only, get 30% off the case of your choice. They have a vast selection of military grade cases. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's www.supcase.com. All right, everybody, let's go.
Tanna.
What's up, everybody? In this video right here, I will be unboxing and reviewing this, the Unicorn Beetle case from Supcase. Yes, indeed, people. Man, oh man, oh man. The last Supcase I had was the Unicorn Beetle for my S8 Plus, and then I had some for my S9 Plus as well. So Supcase reached out to me on Twitter and said they really respected my channel and liked what I do and wanted me to go ahead and give an unbiased review. So man, oh man, let me go ahead and read this box for you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It has drop protection, of course, military standard, like mostly all of their damn cases. High quality, high quality. People, I haven't even seen this case or anything. I don't even know what color it is. So enough of me yapping. Let's get to unpacking. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. Let's open this box up. Yes, indeed. All right, pull it on out. There we go. Oh, wee. Nice, nice, nice. Pull it on out. Smoke grade, clear back, finish and everything. Man, let me hold this back for you guys and everything. Like that there. Man, oh man, oh man. Where's my phone? Hold on, let me shine this up a bit. Oh shit. This might be some straight heat. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here's my phone. About to put it in the case. Let's get it. Well, all right, everybody. There she is. The case is on deck. I changed my wallpaper, my lock screen and everything to the great Michael Jordan doing his thing. Go back to the case. It's on deck. Smoke back on my product red iPhone XR. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, looks pretty damn hot. Don't you agree? Man, let me know below if this case is for show. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm loving everything. Mad protection on deck. At the bottom right here, you got some great cutouts. Got the microphone right here, the lightning port in the middle. Then to the right, you got the speaker. Yes, sir. But look at these boys right here on each side. That's military grade protection. Man, so if you drop this boy on the bottom or the top, you're good. But check this out. Let's go around the sides, right? These right here on each side, they wrap around. But check this out. Let me show you the depth of it. They wrap around and they're mad deep. Look at that. So even if you drop it on the back, you're well protected. Now, as far as the camera, for all you camera heads up there, look at the depth of that right there. Yes, indeed, the depth of the case to the camera. Look at this. My thumb is all over that right there, not even touching the lens. Supcase, you did your thing on this case right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The link to this case will be in the description below if you're interested in getting it. Man, oh man, oh man. I like this case so much. You know what? It gets the stamp of approval. Put a stamp on it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. People, people, people. Man, oh man, oh man. Well, thanks for joining me for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be easy.